Hello, hello. My name is Amy Gill, and I am your pharmacist that cares. Oh my gosh, you guys, how is it almost Thanksgiving? Unbelievable. I feel like it was just Halloween. Like we just put away the Halloween costumes and the Halloween decorations, and now it's time to pull out the Christmas decorations. Yes, mine are up or they're partially up. It takes a while, so I like to enjoy them. The boys and I love it. So we want to put them up early. It just makes us happy. So, speaking of the holidays, what do I want to talk to you guys about today? I want to talk about 4 ways to have a healthy holiday season. That is so important. You don't want to fall off the wagon now and then have to start over on January 1st. And it's just this vicious cycle. So, what are some easy things that you can do just to make sure that the holiday season is going to be good and healthy for you? Number one, good eating habits. I know, easier said than done, right? Everybody's making all these rich, amazing foods. These are only things that people make around the holidays, and you want to enjoy them. I'm not saying don't enjoy them. I'm just saying do it in moderation. Okay. You can still have your piece of pumpkin pie or pecan pie or whatever you want, but don't eat the whole pie. Okay. Don't cover it in Cool Whip. A little dab is fine. But no, you still want to enjoy those things because that's something it's a tradition. It's to everybody. There's always a certain dish that you look forward to or something. So I'm not saying stay away from it completely, but think about what you're doing. You don't want to get in that food coma. Nobody wants to be in that way and thinking, oh my gosh, I got to undo my pants. And everybody talks like that. And that's crazy. But like I said, in moderation. So think what you are doing. Drink a lot of water. That helps as well. That's always important. So, along with good eating habits and drinking water, I know alcohol is something that around the holidays people think about as well. Again, I'm not saying don't have that glass of wine, but don't have the bottle of wine either. Okay. Now, number two, avoid stress. Now, people would laugh thinking around the holidays and the hustle and bustle of trying to get everything ready and here and there and wrapping the gifts and all the things that go into it, putting the decorations up, but enjoy it. Don't get so stressed. Don't stress over those little things because those little things just mount up. And what do? They make it unpleasant for everybody, right? The holidays are to be fun. So set back, put on the Christmas music, and enjoy what you're doing, whether it's trying to get up the tree, whether it's trying to wrap the gifts. Don't rush it. Enjoy the process. That's the whole thing. So, of course, everybody knows how much I love mindset, right? So, positive mindset. Yes, the holidays are going to be different this year. We all know that. We all know what we need to be doing and what we need not to be doing. So, yes, it's going to be different. Some of your family members you might be seeing on the computer, you might be Zooming or FaceTiming, and you're doing it for them. You're doing it for their health, but spin it. Like I said, you can always have a positive way, right? You are doing it for them, you're doing it for yourself. So look at things in a positive manner. If something doesn't turn out quite right, it's okay, right? Just roll with it because it's so easy in these dark, cold nights that it gets dark, like at what, 4 in the afternoon, just to get so bummed that it's just, oh, it's cold. It's very easy to fall into that. But put on the Christmas music, put on the holiday music, whatever you want, smile and think in a positive way. So important. Now, the next thing I'm going to talk about is workout. Everybody knows how much I love to do that and how important it is to stay in that routine of working out. The holidays are not an excuse not to work out, okay? Because if you want to enjoy those foods and enjoy all those things, you have to keep up with your workout routine. Find 30 minutes for yourself every day. Do something, okay? It doesn't have to be the planks. It doesn't have to be running. It does just but find something that you enjoy and stick to it. Do not say you're going to wait till January 1st because guess what? You won't. Or maybe you will start on January 1st, but by January 10th, you're already going to forget that gym membership that's automatically just coming out of your checking account. So don't do that. So, speaking of workouts, you guys know I love my challenges. So, because it's going to be after the holiday or after Thanksgiving next week, I'm going to start another challenge on Monday. So, I'll put some details up about that. So, get ready. This is going to be a little different than anything I've done. I tend to focus on one part of the body or another. So this is going to be more of a full body exercise. So this should be fun to get into. Now, another thing we are going to start on December 1st. Everybody is wanting to stay healthy for the holidays, right? If not, the answer should be yes. So we are going to start a holiday survive and thrive group. This is going to be some amazing information for some awesome people. It's going to be some accountability, and just you can ask questions, you can get some feedback and all kinds of things to make it through the month of December to start on January 1st with a healthy mindset. Okay. So if you want some more information about that, please message me at m.me/the Amy Gill, and then I can give you some more information about that, answer some questions that you might have as well. So I hope that you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. I hope you have a great, healthy holiday season. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.